Hey, hello, welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. In this lecture, we are going to discuss image tag. With the help of image tag, we can place image into web page. Suppose this is one web page. This is one web page. We place image, any location, not exact location. We place like right, left, top, bottom, in middle. So this way we can represent our image on web page. So image tag, with the help of img tag, we can place image, and image is singlet tag. This image tag is having different type of attribute that are SRC. This is one of the most important attribute. The SRC attribute is nothing but URL of image URL. Right, so image URL in the sense we can provide address of the image, and there is one more is important one is alt is nothing but a text. When the image is not available, if the image is not available, that time this text will be appear on web page. If image is available, this text is not visible. Next one, there is align attribute is there. Align attribute, with the help of align attribute we can give the position to the image, right, up or down, up, bottom, and left, right, and there is a middle value is there, and with the help of these values we can place our image. Not only that, width and height is also most important. How much height you want to provide for your image, how much width you want to provide for your image, and not and there is a border attribute is there. If you require a border, you can place the border value 1 means the border will be, when your border value is increasing, then your border width is also increased, your image border. And there is a one more attribute is there is a ease map and use map. When we are learning a project, that time you analyze, and when your backend code is there, that situation we use ease map at value. Now we are checking so how it will be works. This is our code. I don't want to use till now, I don't want to use this one. And where is our go live in the sense server, live server. This is our web page server. So just you observe, these are comment lines. Actually when we are removing comment lines, automatically the content will be visible, and when we are placing comment lines, that will be gone, hidden, right? It was not compiled, not executed. Comments lines are not compiled and not executed. So here, with the help of image tag, img tag, we can place image src attribute. So with the src attribute containing what it contains, image address first of all. So here text means image text, suppose. Just observe image text. Why it appeared? Image is not available. Actually, image is not available. That's why it will be works. So first we go to image location. This is a image location. Suppose this is a image location. I want to copy image address like slash, and I want to take Modi image. Right. Control C. Modi. I was copied. The same addresses I was provided here, but I'll show how we are copying. Right. Control V. So this is a image address, and where is our server? This is a server. So just observe, but it not works. Just you observe, it not works. It not works. Why it is not working? But actually we are placing proper address, right or not? We are placing proper image address. Just I will go to my program location where it will be stored. I stored these all programs in my desktop, right? These are my program locations, right? So here there is an image is there. This is my image. It appear here actually. It was appeared. Just observe. I am opening Notepad. Everything is same. Everything is same. Just observe image. Right. This is a image, and this is a window. Right. This is here not available. Image is not available, but here is image. Same program. So Visual Studio Code is restricting the place of image address. This way you don't paste. Actually this image Visual Studio Code says you don't place image address this type of way. Means you don't place a static way. Please use dynamical way. It says static way. It's a complete image address we are pasting here, right or not? So it is not allowing. It was Visual Studio Code is restricting our way. This way is not suitable for placing image address. But same code you observe this image address, and again you observe when I am removing this, save, and you observe it appear or not. NDR photo is coming or not here? Yes. And same, suppose PK photo, there is a PK. Just observe what happens. Save, and one more PK photo, and there is a Rajamouli, SS Rajamouli photo is there now. Copy and paste. Save. Here works, but here code is there, updated, here also updated, right? So just use comment lines. comments. These are not words. Not refresh, just you refresh here, and same image address we are placing. I'm using here this we are using live server, right? I want to place Chiranjeevi image, right? Copy, paste. I'm saving this, but the server is not accepting, right? The server is not sharing, but actually it was updated here, right? Chiranjeevi image. So we place image address logically, dynamically we want to place. For that I was storing the images. Actually I was placing images in same folder. You observe, these are images. These are images. Just slash, there is a image folder, enter, and all images, like suppose I have required Modi photo, right? Automatically it updates. Now you observe Modi photo is coming. Again suppose you want to take one more photo, again slash and NTR photo, just use. Yes or no? Yes, we are getting. And suppose we are using any image like PK photo, and you observe here when we are placing wrong path, that this information is provides, right? This information what we are placing here, NTR pic. So suppose here I am placing image is loading. Image is loading. This type of information we pass actually. So when we are pressing PK, automatically the image is available, right? Just observe, the content is not there, not visible here. Is right. So in this way we can place. So alternative is nothing but when image is not available, that situation it will be visible, text is visible. So I want to fix this size, image size. Suppose width, how much you want? Suppose I want to take 30% only, 30% space only I want to take. Just you observe 30%. So what that is the width, and you can take height value 50%. Suppose I am taking 50%. This is a width, right? Height. Suppose I am taking 50%. This way the image will be modified. Suppose you want to provide border equal to 1, border is there. Suppose 10 you place, that is your border. Next we want to use align attribute, ALIGN, align. So you can place this align attribute. Suppose I am using like a right, the right side the image will be placed, right? In this way we can place images. With the help of image tag we can place images, n number of images we can place. Suppose I'm copying here, copy, paste, 4 images, right? So break, I want to use BR tag. So already there is a break tag is there, right? Suppose this one I am using align, MIDDLE, it's not works actually. In this way we can place images. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe.